Hi, welcome to Chad Her YouTube channel. Today I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris that cranked but won't start. The problem with my Yaris was when I'm driving home from work and it suddenly lost power, so I had to pull over to the side of the road. I tried to start the car again, but it just cranked and no start. It's odd because I still have 2 bars on my fuel gauge. It shouldn't just lost power like that. So after my car get towed home, I scan my car and it has no engine codes whatsoever. Then I thought maybe it's my fuel pump went bad, so I decided to open up my fuel tank to get access to the fuel pump. Turn out my gas tank is completely empty. That explained why my car suddenly lost power while I'm driving home. It's because my fuel gauge went bad and it didn't display the gas level correctly. So I pour about 2 gallons of gasoline into my car and start the engine without further issue. Well, that is the problem with my car. Hope this helped you out. Next time, if your car suddenly lost power while driving down the road, check your fuel gauge. If it's low, chances are your fuel gauge might not display correctly, and your gas tank may just be empty like mine.
Okay, so to remove the back seat to get access to the fuel pump, you're gonna have to remove this rear seat here. So I already removed it. But to show you, there's a clip here that goes into this plastic lock here. Okay, same thing gonna be on this side. Okay, a plastic block with the clip, metal clip. Just push in to lock. And if you were to remove, you would just use a pry bar and just get right underneath. Just get it right here, and then just pry open. Okay, just pry it to pop up the seat, like so. Okay, that's how you remove the seat to get access to the fuel pump. Okay, so that's how you do it. When you first remove this thing, it will be sealed tight, it will glue tight. So what you do, you use a screwdriver to pry it open, like so. Okay, this is how you open this metal plate here. You just use a screwdriver to pry it up. Okay, that's how you open. What I use to unscrew this plastic nut for the fuel pump here is this oil filter wrench. You use the teeth here, put it against these grooves here, and then just turn it by hand counterclockwise. But first, you might want to use the screwdriver and hit it with the hammer to loose the plastic nut here. This big round nut. You're gonna have to hit it with the hammer a few times to loosen first before you can use the oil filter wrench.
Okay, so this is how you open the fuel pump housing. Again, hope this helped you out. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.